As a whole, as a city of New Orleans, it's going to take us really standing up. Standing up and being part of the process. That means getting out to vote, registering others to vote, being active in the community. It means what Step Up is known to be doing is holding public officials accountable.
Yes.
And also engaging in a real way when it's time to like stand on the backs of those who's already done it when it comes to protesting, getting out for rallies. It's going to take that, what we see that happens a lot in the northern states. But it's not just going to take New Orleans, it's going to take the South.
Yeah.
So we got to bridge that gap that we have here from Florida all the way over. Like, we got to really show that the South is not lost. We're
Right.
here, and we're here to stay, and we're here to fight. So, and it's going to take, some folks say big bites, but it's a little bite at a time.
Yeah.
And we've done some work here, but we have a long, long way